Gold and silver mining stocks update. One is not like the other, and one is dragging the other. It's so interesting when it comes to the different mining stocks, silver, gold. Also looking at the stock market in this video today. Whole complete wrap and recap of what's going on. But it's gonna be something really interesting to share with you. One is not like the other, but that could be giving us a clue what's coming up. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, let's get straight into it. Happy new year. Hope this year for you guys has been truly incredible for you. I'm just finishing off this year for my coaching program, and I just finished off speaking to some of my private clients, and wow, am I truly just so grateful for them. They are just absolutely rocking it. And I'm not going to talk about results and stuff like that, but the percentages returns has been just incredible for their success that I've seen with some of my private clients. So for you guys that know who you are, man, I'm so proud of you. You stuck with the coaching this year, and you've done really well. And I'm so proud of you guys for doing that. And you know, especially some of my few top clients as well too. They really listen to what I say, and they really become good at this. And now I'm just so proud of them. Anyway, guys, happy New Year, guys. Bit of a free gift for you guys to start off 2021. Bit of a free gift. I'm giving away my full complete trading course for free. You can see all the details on the screen there. Everything. I normally charge for this, but I'm just doing it to give something back. So I'm giving away a free course, but I'm only doing it for a limited time, and then I'm going to go back to start charging again. So go to johnsfreegift.com to actually get that free trading course. Now let's go have an update on what's happening with silver and gold, and what the one is not like the other, what I'm talking about there. So let's have a look at gold. Gold right now is still what we call stuck in this phase of not really much going on. And one thing that I really have learned over time is that when the market doesn't do a lot for quite a bit of time, that generally spells explosive move coming. Especially when we just slowly pull back, right? We see this so often, is that when the market, you might see the market do this, where the market runs up, and then the market does nothing for quite some time, just like, no. You know what? And I've seen it on my YouTube channel. I've seen people getting frustrated, like, what are you talking about? Miners not doing anything. Why would you be in miners? You're an idiot to be in miners. And they say, I'm so glad a month ago I left the miners to jump into Bitcoin because now blah, 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 blah. Right? So, but what most people don't understand is that when we're going sideways like this here, it's just resting, right? The market's not going up, market's not going down. We're just getting into a resting phase. Now, here's the exciting part about the resting phase. Because when the resting phase has come to an end, and the end is question mark when the ending is, we generally get an explosive move. An explosive move is generally in the direction of the trend. So the overall trend for gold has been up overall. So we're getting very close to the tipping point for a very big all-time new slingshot pattern to the upside. We're getting very close to that, I truly believe. Especially now they've just accepted another stimulus package, which they're going to keep doing anyway. Gold is getting ready, guys, for some enormous and very exciting moves. So come January, February next year, I believe the first half, I believe all of next year is going to be really exciting for gold. So keep an eye out for that, guys, because I believe this here is just resting for a lot of activity to come. Same with silver as well too. Silver has just overall, it's started to make an up move, but we're still in this. If you look at this overall, just a box, right? Just a box of not much going on. When we start to break above 30, that's when it's going to be truly game on for the silver. There you go. There's that. That's the correct grammar for you. The silver. For silver, right? So, but we're slightly going up now, but if we can start to get it back above 30, we're going to see some really exciting moves. Moving over now through to the GDXJ, and same for the GDXJ as well too. It's like we're getting this very weak sort of setup here, but if you look at the big weak setup, what I mean by that is like this actually could be some sort of a short-term bear flag. Right, bit of a bear flag through here. So we could be getting a breakdown. Or is it that? we will know very shortly. Or are we about to see that this resting phase that it's been in for a very, very, very long time, are we about to see this start to make some headway? Really, really, really interesting stuff. Where's it going to break? Who knows? But once it does break, now to me, I see a lot more upside coming, guys. But even if we do get a bit of drop to the downside, that's okay as well too, because I see this thing moving up. GDXJ, the GDX. This one here is the same sort of thing as the GDXJ. We're getting like a bit of a potential bear flag situation. So we may be getting ready for something like that. Or is it scenario number 2 where we're just in this resting phase before we start to make a big move up? I'm more in the scenario of we're in the resting phase and we're getting ready for a big move up camp. Or if it does drop down, we're likely to see something like that. A small drop down and then a reversal. That's what I see anyway. Now, moving over now through to the silver, SIL. And as you can see, just really holding here, just like silver's doing. Really not much going on, still sideways. But once again, guys, this sideways phase is what? It's resting. And when the market's not doing much, it's building energy. We're building energy, and then bam. Right, you see this happen all the time. Let me share with you, a few trades here. Okay, look at this here. Building energy, sideways, bam, breaks out. What about Billy? Look at this here. Oh, beautiful. Look at all this sideways phase, building energy, and then it broke out, and then we went for a very nice move to the upside. Now, as you can see, you had a week here, and you've had a week here, and so on and so forth, but the general there, okay? SILJ is almost at the high for the year. Now, when I was saying at the start of the video, one is not like the other, the SILJ is almost at the highest for the year. The silver juniors are strong like bull. I'm actually in one silver stock right now, and it is absolutely taken off like a rocket. Like, away we go when it comes to these silver stocks. And we can see we're almost at these highs up here when it comes to these silver juniors. So this whole massive resting phase that we're still in right now, and we're actually just starting to we're almost about to break out of this phase here. Oh my goodness, guys, you wait for this. If this thing gets above $17, it's going to go off like a fire rocket, like a New Year's Eve fire rocket. You watch. Now, obviously, there's no guarantees of that happening, because no matter how good the charts say something's going to happen, there's no guarantees of that happening, which is always a hard thing for you traders that watch this on YouTube, right? Because you're looking for, well, John, if you can't get a guarantee, why do you look at charts for? That's where you don't have the mindset of a successful trader, because it's not about getting every trade right. It's about just having a system, trading it, and doing well. Moving over now through to the Dow Jones, the DD, and the Dow Jones, pretty much nothing going on there. S&P 500, not much going on through there as well too. And just, I still see the S&P 500, man, it's going to be really interesting to see what actually happens next year, whether we do get a bit of a drop and then a higher low, or whether we just continue up from here. So it's going to be really interesting. And also the Nasdaq as well, pretty much nothing going on. We're in a bit of a pennant here. But as you can see, the last sort of few months on the stock market has been really, really, really quiet on the indices anyway. So traders, I want to say thank you so much for all your support this year. I truly, truly have appreciated all your support. All I do with these videos is come to you with my experiences and my knowledge. And hopefully some of the stuff helps you just to get a little bit better when it comes to trading. I don't pretend to know it all, but what I do share with you is the stuff that really helps me every day when trading these markets and getting involved with these markets. So guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for all the likes you've given me. Thank you so much for the growth this year. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. I truly appreciate you. Happy New Year, guys, and from the bottom of my heart, it's been so much fun doing these videos and reading your comments and interacting with you guys. And I know 2021 is going to be another amazing year. For me, I'm coming off my best year ever when it comes to my trading, and I know next year is going to be even better. But I just have to keep my head down, keep my risk management small, and just keep trading the way that I need to. And it's going to be another incredible year. I hope it has been an incredible year for you guys. And if not, then make sure that you sit down and try to figure out where you're going wrong, where you're going right. In the free trading course, there's a video there called Top 13 Mistakes. Make sure you watch that Top 13 Mistakes video in that free trading course I'm giving you. And in that video, you'll be able to see maybe some things that you need to improve on. Or no, you will see, sure, not maybe, but you will see probably at least half of the 13 mistakes I guarantee you're making. And when you stop making those mistakes, guess what? You actually start to make more progress. So happy New Year, guys, and I'll see you very soon. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.